Hello student, today we learn about the using of not only but also. This is also a conjunction. Okay, so look here everybody. She is the first example, she is intelligent, and the second sentence, she is hardworking. We use not only but also and combine this sentence. Okay, then the answer will be she is not only. Here is she is a two times in a both sentence. It has a present, so we use it only, so we write it only one time. Okay, she is not only intelligent but also hard working. Okay, so here we use only one time in a subject and put not only, and then after here intelligent the quality, and then after but also, and then we write the next quality hard working. Okay, now look the second example. This book is interesting. This book is interesting, and second one is this book is useful. Okay, so answer is this book is not only interesting but also useful. Here is this book is in a both sentence it has present, so only we will write it only one time and use not only interesting but also useful. Okay, दैट मीन्स ये बुक केवल इंटरेस्टिंग ही नहीं बल्कि उपयोगी भी है. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. Sunil got a first class in the examination. Sunil got a first class in the examination. And the second, Sunil stood first in the university. Sunil stood first in the university. The answer is Sunil not only got a first class in the examination but also stood first in the university. सुनील ने न केवल फर्स्ट क्लास प्राप्त किया है एग्ज़ाम में बल्कि उसने यूनिवर्सिटी में भी फर्स्ट आया. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. द enemy captured the city. The enemy, E-N-E-M-Y. Here correct the spelling, E-N-E-M-Y. Okay, the enemy captured the city, and second one, the enemy destroyed several factories and buildings. जो शत्रु थे उन्होंने सिटी को कैप्चर कर लिया और डिस्ट्रॉयड सेवरल फैक्ट्रीज एंड बिल्डिंग्स, और उसने बहुत सारे जो फैक्ट्रीज थी और बिल्डिंग्स थी उसको डिस्ट्रॉय भी किया. ओके, देन हाउ वी मेक इट यूजिंग नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. द आंसर इज द एनिमी नॉट ओनली कैप्चर्ड द सिटी but also destroyed several factories and buildings. Okay, so student, this is the use of the not only but also. And next we look the second use of so that. So dot dot that. Okay, now look the example. This box is very heavy, and the second sentence, it cannot be lifted. We combine with this connector, use of this connector. This box is very heavy, and second, it cannot be lifted. Okay, then answer will be what? This box is so heavy. In the place of very we put so. Okay, and then write heavy. This box is so heavy, and then we put the that, combined with both of sentences with the that. Okay, this box is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. Okay, this box is so heavy. In the place of very we write down here so. Okay, this box is so heavy that इट कैन नॉट बी लिफ्टेड. यह बॉक्स जो है बहुत भारी है इसलिए इसे नहीं उठाया गया. उठाया जा सकता. ओके, द सेकंड एग्जाम्पल, she played very well. She played very well. And second one, she won the match. Okay, the answer is she played so well that, combine this sentence with that. Okay, with the word that. Okay, she played so well that she won the match. Okay, and next example, he is very weak in English. He is very weak in English. And second one, he can't pass. Okay, she is very weak in English. वह इंग्लिश में बहुत कमज़ोर है. और सेकंड सेंटेंस इज़ व्हाट, he cannot pass. वह पास नहीं हो सकता. So answer is using of so that. How we can make it? He is so weak. In the place of very we put so. He is so weak in English that he cannot pass. Okay, so the student, you understood this, how we use not only but also and use so that. Okay, thank you.